The
Oh
car
no,
is
the car's
stuck.
stuck.
Oh, it's
Oh no!
oh 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 no. It won't go forward. I'm glad I'm not working today.
The SUV over there is going down
Oh,
and
the
he's
other one
hesitant
is
to go
too.
down. Look at him. Well, he is trying to go down, but like he's trying to go down carefully.
Oh wow, what a scenery. Caught on camera. It's still struggling there. Oh, Baba Utin, watch out. That person is struggling. And so the other one can't even go forward because that one is struggling. Oh, now he is backing up.
I see. OMG. Yay, they're cleaning up our parking lot.
Poor thing.
We should probably go.
Can we go sledding today? Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know if I can just because of all my finals.
No, only 30 minutes, Ati. Let's just do it for 30 minutes. Oh, this one can go forward. He went down and then go forward.
Must be the tires. Maybe he has winter tires.
Yeah, he back up and tried again. Oh, there you go. He made it. Good job. Off he go.
Yeah, because the thing is, with going uphill with snow, it's so hard.
Yeah.
Because you have to be the right speed. You
Uh-huh.
have to be approaching it at the right
Yeah,
speed. So
I
if
know.
you get stuck, you have to back up and try.
Yeah, and try it again. Except if you go to very right and then you will be stuck on the very right, like what I did few times in my life. I learned a lot.
So do you think you can try to schedule my
Schedule?
vaccine booster? Preferably on like a Thursday afternoon or over the weekend. Thursday or Friday afternoon or the weekend.
Thursday afternoon, Friday or Saturday. Sure.
Thank you.
On your day off.